The National Eligibility cum Entrance Test, NEET Undergraduate 2024, the coveted entrance examination for students seeking to pursue a career in medicine, was marred by controversies this year. Almost all high courts across the country and the Supreme Court of India was flooded with petitions from students either demanding a cancellation of the NEET UG 2024 examination or an impartial investigation into the grievances raised. On 5th May 2024, the National Testing Agency conducted the NEET UG 2024. What followed thereafter were nationwide protests by students who alleged that either they were not given complete time to finish their paper or attempt, or some alleged that there were mass paper leaks or malpractices during the conduct of the examination. Strangely, what followed thereafter were the results, which also raised eyebrows, since a number of students secured full marks in NEET UG 2024, which is a rare phenomena considering the gravity and the importance of this particular examination. Well, the very first hearing in the Supreme Court in this case happened on May 17th, just on the day when the court was closing down for the summer vacations, by a bench headed by Chief Justice of India, Debayan Roy, wherein the bench refused to stay the publication of the results of NEET UG 2024. The bench had also observed that it cannot stay the results of an All India exam on the basis of such petitions. The bench was also informed about the involvement of a ringleader in the alleged paper leak case, allegedly obtaining the NEET question paper beforehand by a payment of a staggering rupees 60 crores in Uttar Pradesh. The Supreme Court had then stated that the case would now be taken up post the summer vacations, but that did not happen. A flurry of petitions were listed before a Supreme Court vacation bench headed by Justice Vikram Nath, seeking all prayers from cancellation of the exam to a retest. However, the bench said that there will be no stay on the NEET UG 2024 counselling. It has cautioned the National Testing Agency to file a proper reply to the petitions alleging mass paper leaks and malpractices adopted during the conduct of the examination. Right when the debate was gaining momentum across the country as to whether grace marks should be given to the candidates who were not given full time to complete their NEET UG 2024 papers, just then the Supreme Court was informed by the central government that a decision has been taken that all the students who did not get complete time to finish their May 5th papers would now be getting a re-examination option. The central government clarified that this opportunity was only for an earmarked group of 1563 candidates, whereby they did not get the entire time to complete their NEET UG papers. And the students who do not avail the retest option would have to be satisfied with their NEET scores without any grace marks. The retest is now scheduled for June 23rd, 2024, and the results will mostly be declared before July 5, 2024. However, the fleet of fresh petitions concerning NEET UG 2024 before the Supreme Court did not stop ever since June 13th order was passed. Every day the vacation bench has sat since June 13, 2024. They have heard petitions either seeking a cancellation of the exam or inclusion some of the students into the 1563 list. Some petitions have also stated that the 1563 students list arrived at by the NTA is unreasonable and non-transparent. However, the court has not entertained any of those petitions as of now and has said that all the questions will now be heard and decided only post the NTA files its official response to the batch of petitions, and has tagged all these matters to be heard on July 8, 2024. Supreme Court has also stayed proceedings in the similar cases concerning NEET UG 2024 across all high courts in the country and has transferred all these cases to itself in the Supreme Court of India. This was done after the National Testing Agency had moved a transfer petition seeking to consolidate all the High Court cases before the Supreme Court itself. Now, even as a formal response is awaited from the National Testing Agency in the alleged paper leak case, as per media reports, Education Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan has acknowledged that there may have been some errors limited to some specific regions, and it has also set up a high-level committee to fix responsibility within the NTA. Following this, the CBI has also registered an FIR in the alleged paper leak case. Now, all eyes are on the Supreme Court of India to see how the case unravels further on July 8, 2024. Bar and Bench would be there reporting live.